My dear students, welcome to my super talent class. Today the verbal reasoning. Today I will teach you the missing characters. Insert the missing characters, that is in circle. So insert the missing character: circle, triangle, tree, square. So different. So today I will teach you chapter wise, phrase wise, that is circle. So that is today I will teach you the circle ka only third. So these questions are coming in all the exams, even for the NTC school level. You just mind it, starting from any type of job, that is government job, railway, banking, SSC, everywhere you get this type of reasoning. It is just like the knowledge is power. It is the golden opportunity. You should practice from the very lower class level. It will continue up to the post graduation, graduation level, even for the different jobs. Okay? Now see, this is the circle you see. But if you continue to follow my all classes, all basic knowledge is already taught to you in class level. That is 6-7 ka level ka basic knowledge. So that will get it in the class 6-7 level. So you see that logic I told you, whatever the logic, that is numerical logic. You should not forget it. Numerical logic, that merely fitting with the set, merely that is the function of x. You get logic there. So that is the function of x. Already I told to you already. Even when I start my usual classes from the lower classes fundamentally and clearly, you should follow my set classes. That you will get the function of x, just like logic, x square 1 plus 2x1, x square plus 2, 2x minus 1, to x cube plus 1, x cube minus 1. You should be expert with all this logic. So logic is same, just follow me, that the logic is same, but the type of questions different. That will be applied for the number series, it will be applying for the odd one out, it will be applied for the analogy also. Right? Now see, also in this missing characters, you should have the practice and you should think of all this logic in your mind. Immediately you can catch up the real answer, objective answer. You can select from the options. Just you see, very simple. This is the circle. Dekho, very simple starting. This is the circle. This is the circle. So you will be given 3 circles. 2 is given. Third is the gap. Question mark. You have to fill up it basing on certain principle. Just to see, if you have the idea of certain principle, hundreds, if you make yourself different questions basing on that critical logic, then only you can solve it. By routine or by practicing the number of sums has no value at all. This is my advice, my method. You make your own question, go through different logic, whatever questions comes, trickily you can answer it. Just you see, at the 3, 8, 3, 4, what will be here you see? Dekho, simple, 4 ka double, 4, 2, 3 ka double, 3, 2, 6. What will be answer here? 6. Oh yeah, out of options you will find out. So this type ka 3 questions will be given, but 1 questions you can get the logic. Here you see 3, 2, 4, this. Dekho, it will be given. Suppose 1 is given, 2, 3, 5, 10. Suppose this is given. What is the principle here? 2, 3, 5 is equal to 10. So 3 will be given. You try to pick up the answer maximum from 1. If not possible, get the 2. So what will be logic here? Because 3 plus 2, if you get the logic immediately, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 9. Get the answer. So here you see 6, 35, 7 dash. What is the logic? 35. That I have told you again and again. Number of times that is repeating. 6 square is 36. 35 कैसे आएगा? Minus 1. So what will be the logic? 6 square minus 1. Make it general. X square minus 1 or n square minus 1. So this will be repeated 100 times. So it is my advice not to practice 100 sums. You make 1 sums and you should have the idea of application. That clue logic wherever it is possible, you can find out that logic and you can apply it. That is the applications, right? Then we'll see here, you see this 526 427. देखो 549 ऐसे कैसे आएगा नहीं? Just to think of it, apply the brain, no problem. But you should based on the basic principle. देखो 526 5 square minus 1, 417 4 square minus 1. देखो 4 square sorry plus 1, 5 square plus 1. देखो. So if this is the gap, what is possible here? 4 square plus 1, 17. If this is the gap, you see here, you apply your pen. Not that exactly you will get it. My process is, out of one question you make 4 questions, touching each and every corner smartly. देखो, suppose this 5 square plus 1. So this square plus 1 is 17. What will be answer? 4. Like this, you should practice it. Here you see 2, 6, 12, 20. देखो, what will be the logic? Just 2. देखो, then 6. Start from this clockwise, then this, then this. देखो 2 this तरह से देखो 2 6 12 कैसे आएगा देखो 2 into 6 into 12 है कि देखो then if one question may have the different answer but you should see the options available or not. Accordingly you can change it. देखो 2 into 6 12 6 into 12 what will be here 12 into 6 that is 72. That is one answer. Other answer देखो one answer is over. Then go for the second logic. देखो this is just like the number series already I have told you. If you practice in different way, immediately you can pick up that logic. 2 square minus 2, 3 square minus 3. It is also one logic. 4 square minus 4. This you should keep in your mind. 2 square minus 2, 2 square plus 2, 3 square minus 3, 3 square plus 3, 4 square minus 4, 4 square plus 4. It should be expert. And what will be here? That is logic of 5 square minus 5. So what will be answer here? 20. देखो 2 logic दे दिया. Same question. But here 72, here 20. So my method is, my advice, don't wrote the particular question. Go for the fundamental understanding. Logic is important. That should be applied in different factors, different process and different places. These students are intelligent, smart. So you see, so 2 questions, you will find the options, whatever the options are available, that logic will be clear. Then you see, here one more you see, that is 5, 9, 18, देखो, this is the answer, 5, 9, 18, देखो. Just like this way देखो, 5, 9, number of series कर दो, 18, dash, देखो, change कर दिया. That logic is applied in the circle, triangle. Nothing to worry. But method is followability. Method follow karo and practice karo because it will help you throughout the future. Those are going for different jobs. They want the answer. Some questions, number of questions they will practice. Just get the answer, get the job, finished. But for the school students, it is the future for all India competition up to the graduation post-graduation level. देखो 5. So कैसे आया 5? देखो 5 to this 4, 9 to 18 9. What you know from it? This to this. तो उसको नंबर सीरीज में हम सेट कर दिया. सर्कल पढ़ाता है बट नंबर सीरीज सेट कर दिया. So you try it. 5 this. What is this? 2 square. What is this? 3 square. What will be 4 square? So plus 16 कितना आएगा 34. So here will be 34. देखो लॉजिक हो गया. So accordingly you will get different type of. Next question you see. This is also the circle. So design change हो गया. 3 blocks are there. देखो 3 blocks there, 3 blocks there. This is very easy. If you practice with different clues, all are of the same principle. Just like if you know percentage, so it will have the application for different types of sums. Ratio proportion like this. So just you apply it so that you can apply it like this. So you see, circle 16, 4, 8. Then 16, 9, 12. This is, so 2 is given, it's the easy one. 2 is given, that logic, you find one logic, applied here, it's satisfied, then go for the third. Now you see what is the logic? I have told you these are the logic, or plus minus into division, plus minus into division, square root, power root, all these are required, right? So you see what is the logic applied here. Think it. So 30 seconds का 10 seconds में हो सकता है. You just see 16 4 8. So देखो 16 into 4 root over 8, 16 root 9, not possible. Leave it. Think about it. So 16 का root over कितना? 16. 4 का root over कितना? देखो 4 into 2, then you get the 8. This is the one logic. So here you see 16 का root over कितना? 4. और कितना? 3. So 4 into 3 12. So satisfied. Then they applied here. उसका 16. So देखो इधर का इधर का 36 रूट ओवर कितना 6, 9 का रूट ओवर कितना 3. सो 6 into 3 कितना आएगा 18. देखो सो आंसर विल बी 18 फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस गिवन. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर्स. दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज आल्सो सर्कल बट इट चेंजेस. देखो दिस इज आल्सो सर्कल but the question pattern changes. You see 1 2 3 4 in the center one number is there. 1 2 3 4 center number is there. So 1 2 3 diagrams will be given. So that will be you have to fill up this one. So this is the what is the answer. Just to see, you think of it. Here is 5 10 2 5 8. What will be the possible cases? You see the 2 4 5 2 नहीं होता है. So plus कर दो 10 plus 2 12 plus 5 17 plus 8 25. So 2 मिल गया. Root over is 25. Then you see whether it's satisfied. Here also 10 plus 6 16 7 23. That is 36. Good. हो गया. So you should be very expert in addition, subtraction, simplification, and this multiplication and this percentage, fraction, decimals. You should be very expert. That is from 5 6 when I take the normal classes. That is from the clear detailed all these chapters. These are the best for the higher competitive exam. Here you see addition. Those students can add it within second. They can get the answer. Then square root, everything I will teach you. Just I will be finishing it for NTC class 10. Then I will practice addition, subtraction, square root, everything multiplication which will be completely within seconds can be solved. देखो 10 plus 18 28 plus 9. देखो 28 plus 9 37 plus 12. देखो 12 plus 10. देखो 49 1 1 1 30 49. कैसे ऐड करेगा? That is depends upon you. If 10 plus 18 9 8 7 27. That is 12. That is so 1 2 3 4 9. देखो 10 10 10 3 8 2 4. So 49 का रूट ओवर कितना 7. So here will be answer 7. You pick up it from the options. Okay. Now see this question. You see it is a circle. 2 is given. You find the clue from this 2. Okay. Then you fill up this one. The question. देखो you just apply your brain. Only smart average students can be successful here. This is not the routine process. The school marks is very easy. Just to pick up your brain and calculation stage. Everything will be in your mind. Just देखो 7 10 13 12. Which way it is linked? देखो no into, no multiplication, no square root. Just what will see? देखो 10 plus 20 30. 13 plus 7 20. Different clue are there. After that I will teach you the method how to make the different clue. देखो 7 plus 10 this plus this हो सकता है. So 20 plus 10 कितना आता है 30. 13 plus 7 कितना आता है 20. So this 20 minus 10. This is one clue. So this clue, this logic should be satisfied here. देखो 40 plus 20 60. 15 plus 30 that is 45 minus देखो 15, so it is satisfied. Then blindly you can answer this one. 70 plus 80 कितना 150. 40 plus 30 immediately I am writing. You need not require to write. Immediately you can solve it. So I am writing for explaining you. That is 70. So minus it will be 80. So answer will be 80. So you will find this answer from the options. देखो answer is 80 आ गया. So different clue you can find it out. Here you see this method I am telling you. After completing I can tell you the different methods. Here you see something critical case होता है. This question coming in objection. This question may be coming in class 6 and after 10, 12 graduation. Only logic it will be difficult. Clue just देखो. This 10, 6, 5, 4. So what may be the possible? So from this immediately you will calculation. Calculation should be very speedy. Suppose all this total होता है कि नहीं? Then this होता है कि नहीं? Then this into this होता है कि नहीं? Or this to this होता है कि नहीं? Different clue. A lot of clues are there. Immediately you should pick up the answer from the given two. These two figures, then it will be applied here. So here it will be the question. देखो 10 into 5 50 आ गया 40 कैसे 6 5 4 होगी into होगा नहीं. Just apply your brain. That is 10 minus देखो 40 1 clue मिल गया. So here देखो same apply 20 into 5 100 30 plus 16 कितना 46 देखो 54. So it is satisfied. Then blindly you can do this one. 15 into 10 that is 150. 34 plus 26 that is just 6 4 3 5 60. That will teach you immediately seconds we can write it. So 150 minus 60 that is 90. So answer is 90. Easily you can solve it. So from this you should think of the all logic. What I told you, just by experiment I told you, I will tell you with one figure, different clue. What may be the possible from this? Then you can make your questions at your home accordingly. So you can solve the. Now see, so this is the circle. This question you see. Also this is the question mark. Same circle I am practicing. This class I will practice only the circle. Whatever the question possible for the circle. Next class I will try the triangles. Then with the squares. And with the tree, different types का. Then you will be expert with this. देखो 49, 36, 25, 64, 26. What is the logic behind it? Immediately after seeing you can know it because all these are squares. देखो उसका लिख दो 7, उसका लिख दो 5, उसका लिख दो 6, उसका लिख दो 8. Now tell it. What might be possible? देखो 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5 that is 18 plus 8 plus हो गया. So the logic is here you can see that is the 64 है वहां से लॉजिक हो गया क्या प्लस 7 रूट ओवर का सबका रूट ओवर देखो रूट ओवर इमीडिएटली एंड थोड़ा स्पीड होता है यू अंडरस्टैंड स्लोली इमीडिएटली दिस कैलकुलेशन पार्ट वर्बली विदाउट टचिंग पेपर विद द पेन और पेंसिल यू शुड सॉल्व इट एक्सपर्ट सो होना चाहिए यू आर ऑल जीनियस सुपर टैलेंट कलर सो यू कैन डू इट देखो दैट इज 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 देखो 13, 18, 26 देखो. Then apply this for this. देखो इधर कितना आएगा 8, 5, 9, 12 देखो 9 plus 8 कितना 17 plus 5 कितना 22 plus 12 कितना 34 देखो आ गया लॉजिक देखो ऑल स्क्वायर का और प्लस और माइनस. नाउ अप्लाई फॉर दिस सेम लॉजिक अप्लाई फॉर दिस केस. 169 किसका स्क्वायर रूट 13 ओके 3 दिस इज 18 दिस इज 8 स्क्वायर रूट also should be expert to 1 to 99 all square and square root I will teach you square root verbally you can tell the answer from 1 to 99 nothing required to make the rough work. Here देखो calculation should be very expert 8 plus 13 कितना 21 plus 3 24 plus 18 24 plus 18 कितना आएगा 42 राइट 24 18 देखो 8 plus 13 स्क्वायर रूट मालूम है प्लस 3 plus 18 देखो, so 8 plus 13 that is 21 plus 3 24 plus 18 कितना आएगा 42, 24 plus 18, right? This calculation you should be very expert. If you make 8 plus 3 11 plus 3 14 plus 8 that is 2 2 1 3 1 4. If you make this it will take time. How to calculate, that is your only taking the least time you should solve it. If you make one unit 10 digit it will take time. So you make yourself. Suppose 13 plus 8 21 plus 3 24 plus 18 8 4 2 2 1 3 1 plus कर दो 42. This I will teach you. I will tell you the trick. The trick is most required for this question. So question is easy. That calculation part is most important. Okay. Now see, this is also another type calculation. Same circle, you see. Just to study these three figures, you will be given three figures. Just to study it. Here you see central position. देखो सबका है. Here you see 1 2 3 4 blocks are there. Here 1 2 3 4 5 blocks are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 blocks are there. Right? Now what to do? देखो simply just see the numbers and pick up to your brain, because I am telling you the real trick, but you have to find, you have to think of it, what may be the possible cases. You see 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8 total करो कितना आता है 7 3 7 10 2 12 plus 8 that is 20. कितना आया 20 का आ गया 5. देखो 20 का 5 आ गया कैसे divide 4 because the 4 blocks. So here same process just applied here. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 that is 6 for 10 17 25 30. Immediately calculation pages wise calculate it. 10 कितना पार्ट्स है 5. So देखो 6 हो गया 2. So what will be possible here? Total by कितना पार्ट्स 6 पार्ट. देखो 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. देखो so 7 9 16 8 24 7 31 8 39 9 48. Calculation immediately with the brain, practice it. 48 by 6 कितना आएगा 8. So here answer will be 46 by that is the 8. You will take it from the options. Very clear. So you have to think of it on this only, then only you can solve. Now see, this is the design same circle का, but different design is there. So logic same. I told you logic same. Even for the lower classes, students should be expert in logic. They will be masters. So no problem. देखो, though my blackboard teaching, I am teaching with the blackboard and chalk, blackboard and white chalk. But it is not decent, not so, but simple living, high thinking. You go to the basic root fundamentals. That will help you throughout the year. Try to understand and follow up my all the classes, episode wise, all the classes, chapter wise, follow it. Especially my advice to the students. I am telling the students, and it also helps for the graduate unemployed people also. But understand the things logic. That logic will be in your brain quickly. Just think and analyze yourself to get the logic, then you will get the options, will be successful. Right? Now see, this is the circle. देखो, this is the circle here. This is the circle you see. So this circle, this is this is gap. Anywhere, but find the logic only. Very simple logic. देखो, how to start it? 12 to 18. 15 to dash 21 to say this to this. You see the difference is 6. देखो 24 6 30 12 plus 6 18 15 plus 6 कितना आएगा 15 plus 6 21 plus 6. देखो 15 plus 6 कितना है 15 plus 6. Your answer will be 21. So they are smart, intelligent, tricky questions they are giving it. So you see 21 is here, so students will be confused. So here answer will be 21. कितना simple questions, but options were 21 pass हो गया, students will be confused. But the logic you see plus 6. Very simple logic. So you can write x plus 6. Right? So now see what other questions. Here you see what may be the possible questions. Just arrow wise. That is 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 11. Whatever the possible cases you say, that formula, what I have told you, 2x plus 1 or 2n minus 1, 5 to 11, कैसे होता है? 5 to plus 1, 11. 3 to 7 again देखो, plus 1. So, 2 cases हो गया. Other case देखो, 4 to 9, 4 into 2 plus 1, that is 9. So, it is final. Automatic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. So 4 pairs, 3 pairs satisfied. So this will be the next, right? That is 6 into 2 plus 1. That is 13 is your answer. Confirm. So either 1, 2, 3 clue is given. If it is satisfied, automatically it will be 13. Right? So now see, we'll go for the next questions you see. So you see, you'll make your questions I told you. Don't depend on books or questions or guides available in the market. You make your own question and go to the basic understanding logic. Always I am telling you again and again. Now you see, this is the circle. Dekho, that is 6 to, dekho, 4 to 20, 5 to 30, 6 to 42. इधर तो but arrow wise देखो, this to this. Find the logic. 4 to 20 कैसे होगा? 4 to 20, 4 square plus 4, देखो 20. So apply again 5 to 30, 5 square plus 5, 30, satisfied. One more you take it, 642, 6 square plus 6 is equal to 42. This logic I will teach you details in my completely starting from lower classes you see. Always you see x square plus x, suppose 5 square plus 5, it will be 5 into 6. This logic you follow it. 6 to 42, 6 into 7. आएगा, you should very expert. 5 to 30, 5 square plus 5 means 5 into 6. देखो, होता है. So everything will interlink. Immediately you can solve any questions basing on this, right? Now 7 square plus 7, that is 7 into 8. कितना आएगा answer? 56. So always you see your understanding clear and make the speedy calculation only to save the time only. That is the important factor. All those can solve it most speedily, they will be successful. Now see, here, देखो, 6, देखो, what will be the possible cases? सोचो. You start from here, 6 to 35, देखो, कैसा होगा? 6 square minus 1, 35, right? Then देखो, 7 to 47, 7 square minus 1, कितना? 47 होता है? नहीं, 48 होता है. 47 के लिए क्या होगा? 2, 47 आ गया. Then what happens? Here x square minus 1, x square minus 2. Then 8 क्या देखो? Whether it is satisfied or not? 8 square minus 8 square 64. That is 61. So that is minus 3. हो गया satisfied? So you know the logic. Then 9 का कितना आएगा? 9 square minus 4. 3 plus 4. So 81 minus 4. That is कितना? 77. So answer will be 77. Right? So accordingly, you see, whatever you are practicing it, all depends on the same logic, whether in the different figure, different types, it may be in the circle, it may be in the square, number series, analogy, but logic is same. So always you go for understanding the basic things. Then only you can be successful finding all the answers easily. Otherwise, it is not possible. Now see, this same repeating, 1000 logic will be there. जितना practice करेगा, इतना better, but you make your own question basing on one. देखो, here कितना parts हुआ है? देखो, this is one block, this is one block, this is one block, this is one block, this is one block. देखो, this type का. देखो, 7, 4, 3. Hard possible case, immediately you can do it. क्या? 7 minus 4, 3. इधर देखो 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 11 minus 8, it will be, 11 minus 8, it will be 3. So answer will be here. Then answer will be 3. Right? Answer will be 3. So you just stick to my logic pattern. You make your own question. Not that particular question will come in the exam. Right? So that is make your own questions. Right? Now see, here, same question देखो. Here, this is one block. इस square कर दिया, थोड़ा style change कर दिया. पढ़ाई तो same है. This, now see, this is the circle, same. Circle with the 8 parts, and this is the square here. What is the logic behind it? Just to see. You apply your logic. How to know it? You make it, this is a block. This is a block. This one, 90 degree of this. Is these portions you have to find it out. So you think of what will be the logic here. Just to see. This block का क्या है? 7, 4, 121. Link करो. देखो. 7 plus 4 whole square 121. Apply here. This block का 4 plus 6 whole square, that is 100. Got the logic? Again go for this block, that is, again go for this block, that is 6, 7. 6 plus 7 whole square, yeah, 169. Then what will happen? 8 plus dash, suppose x whole square is equal to 100. That you can find it. What will be here? 2. Blindly. So this is the answer is 2. Like this, you should be very vigilant and immediate calculation is required to get the answer. Here one more you see. One more you see here. So this is the technique only. This you see here. This is the circle you see. This question you see. What happens here? Letter and number. Make it this block. देखो, this block, this block, this type का, this block देखो. So it will be relation within this. F, C, 9. What will be the relation? You know the numbering of letters A to Z. A to Z. कौन है? 1 to 26. So F, C, here R, A, 19. देखो एफ सी 9. देखो एफ का कितना है? 6, 3, वेरी इजी, 9. आर का कितना है? आर ए इज 1, दिस 18, ऑप्शन 9. देन आ गया यू एंड आई. सो यू एंड आई, दैट इज यू का 21, दिस इज 9, 30. यू गॉट द क्लू. सो व्हाट विल हैपन हियर? एल एंड एच. L का 12, H का 8. What will be answer here? Not the answer is 20. So option will be 20 the answer. Right? Now you see, these type questions you will get maximum questions of this type. Now I will give you the idea of hope. If you practice 1000 from the books, it will have not value. Just you practice first learning. Suppose this is the given. This is the given. Circle का. This is the given purpose. 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. So 12, 2. देखो कितना आता है? So if this is 6 into 4, 12 into 2. हो गया एक logic. Somewhere you will get it. Same question. 6 plus 4, 10. 7, 3, 10. Like 7, 3, 10. So you will make the logic like this. This way you can divide it. Suppose 7 plus 6, 13. So here आएगा 10 plus 3, 13. Like this you will make 1000 number of logic by which you can answer the question. So always you will see this. Suppose this is given. That is this one. 10, 6, 8, 4. Suppose I am giving you example. I am giving you because you are already finished. How much is possible I have already practiced. and you make your own question practice. You will go for the fundamentals. How you make the question? That is important. If you make question yourself, you can get 100 number of sums, and you will not forget that clue, that logic. Suppose you how this question made. This is given. 2 will be given. Third you have to get it. But if you will expert from first, you can get the clue. Suppose देखो, what may be the possible case? This to this हो सकता है, और this to this to 6 हो सकता है. So what will you suppose 10 plus example I am giving you, very simple how the logic has been put to here this question to find out the options. But if you practice not you try yourself. If one clue is given, you make 10 clues out of that. What may be the possible cases? Suppose 10 plus 6, 16, 8 plus 4, कितना 12. टोटल कर दो कितना आया 28. So 28 का if 28 क्लू आ गया. सपोज एबीसीडी का, सपोज उसको माइनस हो गया क्या माइनस हो गया कितना आ गया 4. देखो 4. सेकंड क्वेश्चन हो गया like this. If you will get it, other questions you will get it like this. Suppose 10 into 6 कितना 60. 8 into 4 कितना 32. So 60 plus 32 what will be 92. So 92 में देखो ये क्वेश्चन हो गया. I am making it speedy, only giving you the clue. You will make each and every questions, and you will practice yourself giving separate questions. I am practicing with the same. 92 हो गया. Suppose this will be same question का, it will be minus. देखो माइनस कितना आएगा 28 आ गया. देखो 28 माइनस हो गया 28. कितना क्वेश्चन हो गया like this. सपोज और एक क्वेश्चन देखो 10 into 6 60. 8 plus 4 देखो चेंज हो गया 12. So 60 minus 12 कितना आएगा 48. So देखो, so how question this logic applicable to 100 questions, nothing to worry. If you understand, you can make 100 questions. This is the technique only, method only. I have already practiced and I have already experimented it on my students. Those become successful, those have already been successful in last 5-6 years. So if this is 60 minus 12, suppose 60 plus 12 कितना हुआ 72. कैसे क्लू चेंज होता है देखो. If you practice yourself, you will make questions yourself with a clue and exchange with your friends, students. So you must be benefited. देखो उसको इंटू कर दिया, उसको प्लस कर दिया, उसको इंटू कर दिया, उसको माइनस कर दिया, उसको इंटू कर दिया, उसको इंटू करके प्लस कर दिया, उसको इंटू कर दिया, उसको इंटू करके माइनस कर दिया. राइट. सो लाइक दिस. और एक हो भी सकता है 10 plus 6 होल स्क्वायर कर दो. 8 plus 4 whatever is possible कैसे कर दो. Immediately you can get it. So 10 plus 6 whole square plus 8 plus 4 whole square is going to be possible, or 8 minus 4 whole square. Just I am giving the clue. You can apply in every questions, number of series, analogy, every questions you make yourself a number of questions. Then your funda will be clear, there will be speed, and you can be the master of all these things. Okay? So this now, I advise you will make this question and practice it. Missing characters, a large number of questions can be made. Unlimited reasoning. थोड़ा सा change करो, new questions will come. Then I will teach you with triangle. Then I will teach you with circle हो गया. Then with triangle. Then with square. Then with tree. All I will discuss it, and I advise you, whatever questions I am covering, just you go through it, see it minutely, and you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? If you like it, share it within your friends, and subscribe to your channel so that I will be motivated, inspired to help you, so that all students can be helped to get the good result in their life for different competitive exam, even for the job also. Okay? So thank you all. So,